Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the grammar topic of adjectives. You have already done this topic in your earlier class. Yes, an adjective is also known as describing word as it tells us something about a noun or a pronoun. For example, I have an interesting story to tell. The fierce dog chased the terrified girl. The big ship sank in the deep ocean. I sat under a big tree to rest for some time. Children like colorful books. In the above sentences, the underlined words are telling us about a noun or a pronoun and are used before them. Adjectives usually come before the noun or pronoun, but sometimes they can be used after. For example, the book I am reading nowadays is interesting. The tea is hot, but the milk is cold. The balloons are enormous. The workers are hardworking. The stairs are steep. Now let's come to the kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. To begin with, we have adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. The adjective which describes the quality of a noun or pronoun like the color, size, shape, taste, state, etc. are the adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. For example, she sang a sweet song. My friend is a good dancer. Students generally wear black shoes. The giant lived in a big castle. The word which answers the question, what kind, is an adjective of quality. Now, we take up the second kind of adjective, which is adjective of quantity. The adjectives which indicate the quantity of a noun are the adjectives of quantity. For example, I saw some oranges in the fridge. We have enough provisions of the month. She is a little proud of her beauty. Much wisdom is needed for this work. So, the words which answer the question, how much, is an adjective of quantity. Coming to the third type is the adjectives of number. The adjectives which tell us how many persons or things are being spoken about are the adjectives of number. For example, I ate 2 eggs for breakfast. Many people believe in God. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Are there any girls in the class? So, children, the word which answers the question, how many, is an adjective of number. Now, let's come to the demonstrative adjectives. The adjectives which point out to a person or thing are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, this is an easy topic. These cranes have migrated from Siberia. Those trees are more than 100 years old. That man looks needy. The word which answers the question which is a demonstrative adjective. Now we come to interrogative adjective. The adjectives used with nouns or pronouns to ask questions are the interrogative adjectives. For example, what is the color of the sky? Whose book did he spoil? Which pen is yours? Which is your favorite sport? So the words what, whose, and which are interrogative adjectives. Now we come to the possessive adjectives. The adjectives which shows the position of the noun are called possessive adjectives. My house is near the bus stop. The pupils love their teacher. Our country is also called Bharat. His father is a rich businessman. So children, the words like my, their, our, his show position and are called possessive adjectives. So these are the 6 kinds of adjectives. So today in the class we have done the recapitulation of adjectives or describing words. We have also done the kinds of adjectives which are 6. First is adjective of quality or descriptive adjective which answers the question what kind. Adjective of quantity which answers the question how much. Adjective of number which answers the question how many. Demonstrative adjective which answers the question which. Interrogative adjectives which answer the question what, whose, and which. Lastly, possessive adjectives, the words like my, their, our, his show possession and are called possessive adjectives. I hope you have understood. Please attempt the given worksheet to exercise what you learned. Thank you.